Malaya ang sinuman na maghain ng impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte simula February 6, 2026. Ito ang petsa kung kailan magtatapos ang one-year ban sa paghahain ng reklamong impeachment laban sa opisyal batay sa desisyon ng Korte Suprema. Ayon kay House Committee on Public Accounts at Bicol Saro Party List Representative Terry Redon, kung maghahain ulit ng impeachment case laban kay VP Sara, nakabatay ito sa katotohanan at accountability, hindi sa anumang pangako, gaya ng paniniwala ni Senador Amy Marcos na ang pork barrel umano sa 2026 budget ay posibleng magamit upang isulong ang panibagong impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte.
Impeachment proceedings naman po are not based on projects that are promised. No? Impeachment proceedings are based on quests for truth and accountability, particularly on the use of confidential funds. No? So the basis for the impeachment last year has not changed actually for 2026. So if House members or civil society would want to file it again as soon as the one-year ban is finished, I think they are free to do so. And I don't think they will be motivated by any promises of any projects for 2026.
Sa kasalukuyan, wala pang inilalabas na desisyon ng Supreme Court kaugnay ng apela ng Kamara sa desisyon nito sa impeachment case laban kay VP Sara. Pero ipinaliwanag ni Congressman Ridon ang posibleng maging kahinatnan anuman ang maging hakbang ng kataas-taasang hukuman, gaya ng kung maglalabas ng desisyon ang Korte pabor sa House of Representatives.
So hopefully from today up until the 5th of February 2026, the Supreme Court will basically dispose of the matter already. Kasi syempre, pagka it is favorable to the House, it basically would mean that you don't need another impeachment complaint against the Vice President at this point. It basically means that the Senate will have to proceed to trial if it is favorable to the House.
Ngunit paano naman kung sumapit na ang February 6 at wala pa ring desisyon ng Korte Suprema o kung pagtitibayin nito ang unang desisyon hinggil sa impeachment case?
Pero syempre, if it is unfavorable to the House will have to implement the new rules of impeachment that the Supreme Court wants us to implement. No? So that would have to guide us by the 6th of February pagka nagkaroon po ng new impeachment complaints.
Samantala, si House Senior Deputy Minority Leader at Caloocan 2nd District Representative Edgar Erice iginiit na hindi siya maghahain ng impeachment complaint laban kay VP Sara. Naniniwala rin ito na kung may maghahain ng reklamong impeachment laban sa Vice Presidente, dapat gayon din laban kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na sa flood control corruption scandal.
Doon sa impeachment ni VP Sara, masagwa na ang pa-file namin si VP Sara ng 125 million confidential funds, 500 million na debt and funds as against the trillion pesos na hindi pa rin naipapaliwanag ni Presidente Marcos kung bakit niya pinayagan for 3 years na salaulain ng Kongreso yung pondo na yon. Dapat kung gusto natin ng makatarungan, hindi lang yung dahil kampi-kampihan sa politika, di pareho na lang silang humarap sa impeachment court. Pareho silang magpaliwanag dun sa mga akusasyon sa kanila.